today I'm going to be unboxing the Star Shower Window Wonderland, and I've seen this product a few times on TV. It's actually really cool. The thing about this product is that you don't actually have to go outside in order to project any images onto your house during Halloween or the holiday season. It's all from indoors where you would be using it. You would set it up through your window, so all the images you can see from outside, but it does project from indoors. Alright guys, let's see what this product looks like. So this is actually the curtain to hang inside of your window for the images to be projected upon, and you can hang it either vertically or horizontally depending on whatever windows you actually have. You would turn it on with the power button in the back. It's the black button, and you can actually change the orientation of the images from vertical to horizontal with the same button. There's also a green button to change the images into the holiday season, or the orange button to use for Halloween images. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you for watching.